In the heart of our planet, a tale unfolds. A tale of a world teetering on the brink of an irreversible change. Plastic, a creation meant to serve, now haunts our rivers, oceans, and lands. As our existence is intertwined with the fate of the environment, there lies an opportunity for redemption. With a commitment to responsibility and innovation, Ginni Filaments has birthed a marvel. With wipes made of non-woven spunlace meticulously crafted from recycled PET bottles. Ever wondered how we have made this possible? It all starts with picking the required plastic bottles from the landfill rag pickers. With our holistic tie-up with special partners, this waste is brought back to life and transformed by recycling the unhandled waste plastic bottles into useful fibers. From here, we at Ginni breathe life into these threads, crafting a masterpiece as a testament to our commitment to quality and diligence. Behold the birth of rPet wet wipes, a creation nurtured in the crucible of trust and precision, weaving a sustainable tale of excellence. Sustainable magic is attained with our uniquely embossed rPet wipes. Once they've served their noble purpose, these wipes can be transformed into a second act. One can casually toss those used wonders into a nearby PET bottle. Whether you're at the office, in your car, partying, or on the go, turn that bottle into a nifty trash can. And let the recycling adventure continue. Every year, 11 million metric tons of plastic goes into the ocean. Just imagine the reduction of 13.6% of ocean waste by using 105 billion bottles converted into 100% rPet fabric. By using the recycled polyester in the manufacture of wet wipes, we are already saving 4 times on carbon emissions. The story of brand Ginni is not just about wipes, it's a narrative of transformation. Every wipe tells a tale of renewal, a chance for the discarded to find purpose. Join us towards a future where every wipe signifies a cleaner conscience.